So I'm going to show you how to use the remote start on an Acura MDX. This is for the 2021 and up, or 2022 and up. You just hit the lock button, hold the engine start button, wait until it turns green. The car starts. It'll turn green, showing you that the car activated, and that's it. If you want to turn it off, you just hold this, and the car turns off and it turns red. That's it. Right. Now I'm going to show you guys how to remote start the car from the AcuraLink app. The door is locked already. It's showing the vehicle locked. You just hold down, just hit the remote start button. Right, so I entered the PIN. Now it's sending the command to the car to remote start it. Keep saying sending command. And the car remote starts. Contacted server, and the vehicle's on. It tells you the temperature in car temp, and it tells you the auto off. You want to turn it off, you just hit stop. It'll send the command to the car, and the car will turn off, and that's it. So that's how you remote start your vehicle from your key and your AcuraLink. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.